Good morning, students. In previous video, we discussed some points regarding mole concept. There are some more points regarding that one. See, for example, take 1 mole of H2O. 1 mole of H2O. H2O is molecule, not atom. So, 1 mole of H2O contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. That means Avogadro number of molecules of H2O. That is okay. Next one. This H2O is a molecule. It contains how many atoms? Atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. That means 3 oxygen atoms present in H2O. So total number of atoms in 1 mole of H2O is how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 3. 2 hydrogens plus 1 oxygen into 3 atoms in H2O. Next one. How many number of oxygen atoms? How many number of oxygen atoms in 1 mole H2O? How many number of oxygen atoms? Actually H2O contains only 1 oxygen atom. So how many number of oxygen atoms? So 1 into Avogadro number. That means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atoms. Oxygen atoms in H2O. That means only 1 atom. Then what about the number of hydrogen atoms? Number of hydrogen atoms in 1 mole of H2O. That means we consider only hydrogen atoms. That means how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms in H2O. I hope you understand it very clearly. Next, one more example. 1 mole C6H12O6. This is the formula for glucose. C6H12O6. This is also a molecule. How can we say that? Because it contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. So combination of atoms either same or different. That is called what? Molecule. So 1 mole of C6H12O6 means what? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of C6H12O6. Next. Then how many number of atoms in 1 mole of C6H12O6? How many number of atoms? Number of atoms, 6 carbon, 6 plus 12, 18. 18 plus 6, how much? 24. That means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 20, 10 to the power of 23 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 24 atoms in C6H12O6. That's all. This 24 indicates what? Total number of atoms. Total number of atoms present in 1 mole C6H12O6. Then how many number of carbon atoms present in 1 mole C6H12O6? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 6. Into 6, because 6 carbon atoms are present, into 6 carbons in C6H12O6. Then what about number of hydrogen atoms in this case? Here 12 hydrogen atoms are there. So Avogadro number into 12 hydrogens in C6H12O6. Then what about number of oxygen atoms? 6. That means Avogadro number into 6 oxygen atoms in C6H12O6. Now here one more point is there. That is what? How many number of hydrogen molecules? Hydrogen molecules. Actually hydrogen exists as H2 in nature. H2 is the molecule. Here 12 hydrogen atoms are there. 12 hydrogens. Actually 2 hydrogen atoms will be one molecule because H2. It exists as H2. So here 12 hydrogen atoms are there present. Then how many number of molecules of hydrogen will be there? 6 molecules. So the total number of hydrogen molecules, in 1 mole of C6H12O6 is how much? Avogadro number into 6 hydrogen molecules in C6H12O6. Next, what about number of oxygen molecules? Oxygen also exists as O2 as hydrogen. So here 6 oxygen atoms are present. For 2 oxygen atoms, 1 O2 molecule. For 6 oxygen atoms, 3 O2 molecules. So total number of molecules of oxygen, how much? Avogadro number into 3 oxygen molecules in C6H12O6. So we may face these type of questions also in CBSE level. I will tell one model. See, how many number of question is how many number of oxygen atoms, in 0.5 mole of CO2. I'm telling one example. How many number of oxygen atoms in 0.5, not 1 mole, 0.5 mole of CO2? This is the question. First we have to write for number of atoms in 1 mole CO2. 1 mole CO2 contains, we know that how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of CO2. 1 mole CO2. We want what? Number of oxygen atoms. It also contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 2 oxygen atoms. 1 mole CO2 contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 2 oxygen atoms, because CO2 contains 2 oxygen atoms. 1 mole CO2, but we want number of atoms in 0.5. 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 2. 1 mole. Then half mole, 0.5 means half. Half mole contains 0.5 mole CO2 contains how much? Then what we have to do? Cross multiplication. That means this is 1 mole CO2. 1 mole CO2 contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 2 oxygen atoms. Then 0.5 mole CO2 contains how much? Then cross multiplication. For example, 10 fruits, 50 rupees. 5 fruits, how much? How much? Cross multiplication. 5 into 50 by 10. How much? 25. Like that, here also we can do calculation. 0, that means this one into this one by this one, that means 0.5 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 2 whole divided by here how much? 1. This one and this one by this one. Then 0.5 into 2 how much? 1. 1 by 1, 1. 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 how much? 6.0. So finally 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. What is this? This is the number of oxygen atoms in 0.5 mole of CO2. In 0.5 mole of CO2. So we may face these type of questions in CBSE level. Next, there are some more formulas present in mole concept. They are only 2 formulas are there. First formula is number of moles. Number of moles equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Or here one more formula is there, that is weight by gram atomic weight. When will we use this formula? When molecule is given, then only we can use this formula. If atom is given, then we can use this formula, because for atoms atomic weight is there, for molecule molecular weight is there. If the molecular weight is expressed in gram, that will be gram molecular weight. If atomic weight is expressed in gram, that will be gram atomic weight. So what is the formula? Number of moles equal to weight of the substance by gram molecular weight, or weight of the substance by gram atomic weight. That is one formula. One more formula, number of molecules is equal to number of moles. Mole is different, molecule is different, both are not same. Number of molecules equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. So these are the two formulas present in mole concept. I will tell one problem regarding these formulas. See, question is, how many number of moles present in 540 grams of C6H12O6? How many number of moles present in 540 grams of C6H12O6? That means what we have to find? We have to find number of moles. What is given? C6H12O6 is given. This is what? Atom or molecule? This is molecule, because here carbon, hydrogen, oxygen are present. So if more than one atom is present, that will be considered as molecule. So what is the formula? Number of moles, it is represented by N equal to weight by gram molecular weight. What is the weight? 540 by, what is the gram molecular weight of C6H12O6? We know for each carbon atom 12 into 6. For each hydrogen atom atomic weight is 1. 12 into 1. For each oxygen atom atomic weight is 16. So 16 into 6. So 12 into 6, 72. 12 into 1, 12. 16, 6. How much? 96. So final value 10, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. So what is the total value? 180. What is this? This is the gram molecular weight of C6H12O6. That is what? Glucose. So what is the gram molecular weight of glucose? 180. So every time weight is here already it is mentioned in grams. Better to mention always units. Here 180 grams, because if molecular weight is expressed in grams, that will be considered as what? Gram molecular weight. So 180 by 540 by 180, how much? 3. So what is the meaning of this 3? This 540 grams of C6H12O6 contains how many moles? 3 moles. 3 moles are present. So this is the way to calculate number of moles. Suppose in the same question, the question is like this: how many number of molecules are present in 540 grams of glucose? Then what we have to do? We have to apply second formula. What is the second formula? Number of moles equal to, sorry, what is the question meaning is what? How many number of molecules? So number of molecules equal to number of moles into Avogadro number, where N indicates what? Number of moles into Avogadro. That means again we have to use this formula. Then how many number of moles? 3. So that equal to 3 into Avogadro number, how much? 6.023. In numericals, simply you can write like this: 6 into 10 to the power of 23. 6 into 10 to the power of, no need to mention decimal points. 6.023 and 6 almost both are same, because now there is not big difference. So better to mention every time Avogadro number 6 into 10 to the power of 23 in numericals. So final value 3 into 6, how much? 18. 18 into 10 to the power of 23. These are what? Number of molecules. These are number of molecules present in 540 grams of glucose. If the question is number of moles, then simply we can use this formula. But if the question is number of molecules, then we have to use first this formula, later we have to use this formula. So this is the way to calculate number of moles in this model. Thank you.